Here we are, front and center in the Thor Motor Coach featured floor plan, the Four Winds 27R. Feel free to look around at your leisure, or if you'd like, follow along. So let's spin over to the campsite. Here you have the always accommodating booth dinette. It is your go-to spot for meals, maybe family game night, and it even makes into a bed. Take a spin across the 27R, and on this side you have your sofa. Go ahead, have a seat. You'll love having this shelf with drink holders back here, and the pop-up outlet is great for keeping your devices charged. This sofa also makes into a bed when you are ready to call it a day. A quick spin to the front of the 27R and we have a lot to talk about here. Above the cab, you have this spacious bunk, a handy charging center, and your TV with Blu-ray player. Here in the cockpit, you'll love passing the miles. This is where you'll find your touchscreen dash radio with navigation, satellite radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and integrated backup monitor. The 27R is powered by a Ford V10 with 305 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. Let's take our tour over to the kitchen. From the flip-up countertop extension over to the large prep area, this is a well-equipped setup. Here's your large single-bowl stainless steel sink. The 3-burner gas cooktop has a flip-up glass cover, and for your baking or reheating needs, you have an oven and a microwave. The kitchen also offers up some trick storage options like this built-in wine rack and a large pull-out drawer. No matter where you want to look in the Four Winds, you'll find there is plenty of storage for everything you want to bring along. Next to your double-door fridge, check out this great pantry. And next to that, a large closet perfect for your bathroom linens. From here, you can simply spin around and see some of the other great Four Winds features, like the 84-inch interior height, the ceiling ducted ACs, and fantastic fans. Then browse down to the durable and long-lasting residential vinyl flooring. Here we are, inside the bathroom. This is all the room and privacy you could want. You'll find a large medicine cabinet above and storage below the stainless steel sink. Right here's a cabinet on the wall for more storage as we head over for a look at the shower with curved rod and skylight. Our last stop, the bedroom. You have a king-size bed. And notice there are charging ports on both sides. You have storage above, great for extra blankets or pillows. And you are going to love the size of these closets. Back here, you also have your television and your HVAC controls. So feel free to look around in here. And when you're ready, hop into Four Winds and look around out there. This is the Four Winds 27R. Explore more at thormotorcoach.com.